The wonders of lion's mane. Welcome to our exploration of lion's mane, an extraordinary organism known for its fascinating properties and incredible benefits. Lion's mane, scientifically termed Hericium erinaceus, is a distinctive mushroom revered in traditional medicine for centuries due to its diverse health benefits. What makes lion's mane truly exceptional is its profound impact on brain health. Within this mushroom lie compounds that have shown remarkable effects on cognitive function and neuronal health. Our brains house neurons, the fundamental cells responsible for transmitting information. Lion's mane contains compounds such as hericenones and erinacins that actively stimulate the growth and regeneration of these neurons. These compounds trigger the production of nerve growth factor, NGF, a crucial protein essential for the growth, maintenance, and survival of neurons. By promoting NGF production, lion's mane may protect against age-related cognitive decline, aiding in memory retention, learning, and overall brain function. Let's delve deeper into the benefits that lion's mane offers. Firstly, lion's mane is renowned for its potential to improve memory, focus, and concentration. Studies suggest that regular consumption of lion's mane may enhance cognitive abilities, making it a promising ally for mental acuity. Moreover, lion's mane is believed to support mood regulation and mental well-being. Its neuroprotective properties have shown potential in reducing symptoms associated with anxiety and depression. Beyond its impact on brain health, lion's mane is a potent ally for overall nerve health. It's been studied for its potential in managing neuropathic conditions by reducing inflammation and promoting nerve regeneration. Remarkably, lion's mane doesn't limit its benefits to the brain. It also supports the immune system, acting as an antioxidant and anti-inflammatory agent. These properties aid the body in combating oxidative stress and bolstering defenses against various diseases. In conclusion, lion's mane is a multifaceted marvel that supports brain health, cognitive function, mood regulation, nerve health, and immune system function. Its unique compounds offer a wealth of benefits that continue to captivate scientists and health enthusiasts alike. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of lion's mane. Embrace the wonders of this incredible mushroom and unlock its potential for your well-being.